My name is John McKeon, and we are here with Greg Gegner from GE Healthcare. He just finished a great presentation on manufacturing systems in GE Healthcare. Greg, we were walking back from your presentation, people coming up to you saying how great it was. Tell me, what were some of the reactions to some of your key points?
I thought it went pretty well. I think the reactions to the summary that I put on why projects don't do as well as people think they should, I think it relates to some of the deep issues with how most companies budget. And then we had some technical discussions on what's important for GE Healthcare and what kind of data we're really talking about and the variation in the types of data we have.
Greg, the questions, were they more kind of a business perspective or were they techie?
I think they were more business. It was pretty obvious from the presentation that I'm not the high-tech guy in this. And so it was really about usage and how do we justify and things like that.
Can you give me a couple specific questions that you were asked?
Well, first I was asked if the summary, whether it was what we're moving to or my philosophy for the pitfalls of projects. And so I told him that was my opinion on the pitfalls, that I try to move from that and know about them, but it's difficult to change completely to avoid those. And then we just talked in general about the different types of data we have and the costs associated with current production and how we hope to alleviate that by having better reporting systems.
Greg, based on the audience reaction, what do you think were the 3 takeaways people walked out of your session with?
I think they took, first of all, that you can do a pretty simple solution to get started. That in our proof of concept, we really focused on how much time would it take Teradata to get something running, and that was a big part of the proof of concept. And they did pretty well. I think it also kind of verified that a lot of the manufacturing businesses kind of have the same issues. And the third thing was the importance of setting up and going vertical with a small system before you blow it out into a large-scale system so you can make modifications and make sure you understand not only the technical things you have to accomplish, but the procedural things that you have to accomplish to support it, especially in the medical industry, which is, highly regulated.
Greg Gegner, we are here live with him right after his session on manufacturing intelligence at GE Healthcare. It went over really well. Greg, thank you very much.
Thank you.